Hi boys and girls. In math today we're going to be talking about adding tens to a two-digit number. So we have this problem, 27 plus 20. If you look at the number 20, I want you to think about how many groups of 10 are in the number 20. It's 2. Let's see, 10, 20. So 2 groups of 10 get you to 20. And we're adding these tens to this two-digit number. 27 is a two-digit number. The 2 is in the tens place, and it represents 20. And the 7 is in the ones place, and it represents 7. So 27 plus 20. All right, I've got 27 blue cubes, and I've got 20 red cubes. So I want you to think about how you would solve 27 plus 20. I'm going to give you a minute to think about that. 27 plus 20. Okay, maybe some of you put your tens together in your mind, and you had 4 tens now, and we can count those. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 7 more. Okay? What is that number? 10, 20, 30, 40, and 7 more. It's 47. So I'm going to write 47. And we're going to solve it another way and see if we get 47 again. We'll see if that's right. All right. So we'll start again with 27 plus 20. This time though, we're going to start with 27, and we're not going to combine the tens all at once. We're going to start with 27, and we're just going to add a 10. So what do we have now? 27 and one of those tens. 10, 20, 30, 7, 37. And let's add another 10. So now we have 30, 40, 47, okay? So did we get 47 again? We did. Now I'm going to write on the board what numbers we were adding each time to see how we came up with it that way. We started with 27, and we added 110, and we said that was 37. So now we've got 37, and we added 110, and we got 47. So each step down, we added a 10. So how many tens did we add? 1, 2, that's 20. Let's look at our numbers, 27, 37, 47. So 47 is our answer. But I want to look at the digits. Look at the ones place. What is it in all of these numbers? 27, 37, 47. It's a 7. Does it change? It didn't change. When we added tens, the ones place did not change. So let's check the tens place. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Did those numbers change? They did. How did they change? What do you have to add to 2 to get to 3? 1. What do you have to add to 3 to get to 4? 1. So each time you add a 10, the tens place goes up. It increases by 1. 20, 30, 40. And the ones place stayed the same. Okay? So we're going to do one more problem, and then you will be ready to do your worksheet. All right, this next problem is 13 plus 30. All right, while I get my cubes ready, you be thinking about how you would solve 13 plus 30. All right, I've got 13 yellow cubes. 13. 1 10, that's what that 1 is for, and 3 ones. That's what that 3 is for. 13 plus 30. Okay, see, I've got 3 10s. That's what that 3 is for. Do I have any 1s all by themselves? I don't, so that's why we have a 0 there. 13 plus 30, 3 10s. 13 plus 30. Okay, now we can combine our 10s and say 10, 20, 30, 40, and then add our 1s. Or we can do it the new way that we've been learning. And we can start with 13 and add a 10. What's 13 plus 10? We had 13. And if we add 10 more, we have 23. Okay, now be watching your digits in your tens place. And now let's add another 10. We went from 23 to 33. Now let's add another 10. And we have 43. Now let's look at those numbers that we added. We said 13, 23, 33, 43. I added 10 3 times. From 13 to 23, I added a 10. 23 plus 10 is 33. 33 plus 10 is 43. How many 10s did I add? 1, 2, 3. 3 10s is 30. Okay, let's look at our digits. Did the digit in the ones place change? Let's look. 3, 3, 3, 3. Good. It did not change. Let's look at the digit in the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just like you're counting on from whatever number you start with. You're adding a 10 each time. Okay, so 13 plus 30, you can count up by tens. You start with 13, 23, 33, 43, and then I stop because I'm only adding 3 10s. All right, and so our answer is 43. Now, one thing, and then you will be ready to go. On your worksheet, some of your problems are written like this, like they're in a sentence, okay? So you might have 47 plus 20, and you'd write your answer that way. Another way to write this is 47 plus 20, and it's like that. And you put your answer below. Let's try this one. I'm going to try it, but I'm going to use this way to write the problem. 47 plus 20. I know that I'm going to add how many 10s to 47? I'm going to add 2 10s. So I'm going to say 47, 57, 67. And I would write that right underneath. All right, boys and girls, let your teachers know if you need any help.